Steam has a feature most PC gamers never use, and it lets you add any game already on your computer. Yeah, even games you didn't buy on Steam. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Steam and make sure you're signed in. Once you're in, click on Library at the top. Now look at the bottom left corner and click Add a Game, then select Add a non-Steam game. Steam will scan your PC and show you a list of programs. If the game you want is already here, just check it and click Add Selected Programs. But let's be real, most times the game won't show up. So click Browse. Okay, let's assume this Roblox Studio right here is the game we want to add. Navigate to where it's installed on your PC, select the .exe file, that's the file you normally double-click to open the game, then click Open, and finally click Add Selected Programs. And just like that, the game is now added to your Steam library as a non-Steam game. Now here's the cool part. If you right-click the non-Steam game and go to Properties, you can customize how it looks. Go to Customization. From here, you can change the cover artwork, scroll down to change the background, and even update the logo. This is how you make it look like a real Steam game instead of a shortcut. Once that's done, you can launch the game directly from Steam, use Steam Overlay, and even controller support for many games. And that's it. Now all your games, Steam and non-Steam, can live in one place. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more easy but powerful PC tips.